Today I share this super simple delicious bean stew. If you want to see how I put it together, keep watching. I'm going to start by adding some oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with a lot of chopped onion. Once I add the onion, I'm going to go ahead and add my minced beef. I've already washed the minced beef. That is optional. If you don't like to wash your minced beef, just go ahead and add it into the oil and stir fry it until it's golden brown. Once I achieve this brown color, I'll go ahead and add some garlic. If you don't like to cook with garlic, just skip it. But if you want to start with cooking with garlic, you can start using the powdered one and then you can graduate to the fresh one if you are starting with garlic, alright? I just go ahead and add some tomato paste as well and I keep stirring it together for another 1 minute. A minute later, I go in with my pepper mix, and this pepper mix I have onion, I have tatashe, and I have chili pepper, and I have a little bit of tomato. I go in with some chicken stock as well. That's very important to make your bean stew very delicious. I add salt and seasoning powder, and I add some thyme. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. Once I add also the seasoning, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined, and I'm going to cover the pan and allow to cook. The stew has cooked to my liking. While the stew is cooking, don't forget to stir on it, alright? I'll go here with some green pepper. That is optional. If you don't want the green pepper, just skip it. I stir everything together really nicely and I go ahead and take it off the heat immediately. Here I have the beans which are already cooked, is perfectly cooked. If you want to see how I parboil and cook my beans, I will leave the link to another video in the description box below. Just go ahead and check it out. I go in with half of the sauce and I add some water to it, cover it and allow to steam for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I came back, I give everything a quick stir and you guys, this tasted so delicious. Go and give it a try. Once I stir everything together nicely, I cover it back and allow to simmer again for another 5 minutes. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. Food done. Oh yeah, bring your plate, make I serve you. You guys, this tasted so good. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys that is my favorite part of the beans, but because of video purpose, I have to stir everything together. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please don't forget to smash the like button on the video, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Enjoy your beans with rice, with yam, with bread, with garri.